Hi, I am Srisha from the Building Healthy Cities Project Nepal. Thank you for exploring our systems map that shows a powerful visual understanding of the interrelationships between various sectors and their impact on air quality of Kathmandu Valley's 18 municipality city system. Before you start exploring, I would like to orient you about some of the features of our map. Right now, you're looking at our context map, and the circles that you're looking at are the key elements in the system. These are variables that can increase or decrease. The plus sign and the minus sign in the map tell us about the impact of one key element on the other in case there is an increase or decrease. The lines are the connection between the key elements, and the arrow shows the nature and direction of the causal links between the different variables on the map. These circles and connections together form a loop. These loops highlight the stories and key dynamics that are playing over and over again in the system. You can focus on one loop by clicking on this icon, and you will see the narrative for each loop. Examples from the Kathmandu Valley and supporting BHC research and evidence. You can click on each link and it will take you to our GSI webpage, which has a list of all resources. Once done, you can zoom out and see the points of connectivity across all 17 loops. You will also notice a color coding scheme. The part of the map in red is Kathmandu Valley's deep structure, which is a story that ties together common elements from across the system. The purple circles and links tell us about the level of accountability and management in place to support effective program implementation and resource utilization through effective coordination and cohesion. The blue circles and links tell us about the current policy, rules, regulations, and implementation condition in the Kathmandu Valley. The sky blue circles tell us the story of how the infrastructure and workforce capacity of the Kathmandu Valley currently operate, giving us a window into the pattern underneath the problem that often take our attention. The green circles tell us about the city's ability to engage the population and the civic society sector in healthy development efforts and its impact. Key inhibitors to whole city growth are highlighted in red as illustrated in the deep structure of the map. These represent the areas that frequently appeared across the system as an important driver of current outcomes that are not very positive. The good news, however, is that given the change, these same factors can turn into drivers for positive action and change for promoting clean air in the Kathmandu Valley. I hope you'll have an insightful time looking at our systems map. You can share the link of our map with your social circle on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn with the hashtag Building Healthy Cities. Thank you.